Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change your Nissan Altima cabin air filter. First, clear out your glove box completely. You'll need a small Phillips head screwdriver and your new cabin air filter. Make sure the new filter is the correct one for your Altima model. This simple maintenance task can greatly improve your vehicle's air quality and is easy to do yourself in about 15 minutes. Next, carefully disconnect the dampener arm on the right side of the glove box. Then, push inward on both sides of the glove box to release its stops, allowing it to swing down completely. Behind the glove box, you will see a rectangular housing, which contains the cabin air filter. It usually has 1 or 2 clips holding its cover in place. Now, unclip the cover of the filter housing and carefully slide out the old, dirty cabin air filter. Take note of the airflow direction arrow on the old filter. This is crucial for proper installation. With the old filter removed, slide the new filter into the housing, making sure its airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one, typically downwards. Finally, snap the filter housing cover back into place, ensuring it's secure. Reinstall the glove box by pushing its sides inward to clear the stops, then swing it up and reattach the dampener arm. Close the glove box, and you're all set. You've successfully replaced your Nissan Altima's cabin air filter, which helps maintain good air quality inside your car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.